Welcome, third grade, to our week 26 of our number talk series. This week's learning op is focused on the number line fractions again. And then your challenge problems this week, I actually designed some multiple choice ones. Just to, that way you're looking at, 4 different possible answers, and it's also exposing you to a different problem set than what you're really used to in math thus far in your educational journey. So that's really the reasoning behind that. So I wanted to see how you do with multiple choice and, really think it through before you answer each one. But let's look at the number line with fractions. Again, there's multiple ways you can do this. One of the ways that's very helpful, if you want, is to take out a piece of paper and fold a piece of paper. Imagine the piece of paper goes from 0 to 1. I know for some students that helps. The other way, if you only have a pen and paper, is to think about the whole thing as a unit bar. And imagine breaking it up. So if I broke it up in half, right, well, we don't have to find a half. If I broke it up into fourths, well, wait a second. It's asking us for a fourth. It's also asking us for 3/4. Now it's asking us for eighths, so now we can break it up into eighths. So we think about an eighth, so then we have 1/8. We have, so there's 1, 2, there's 3/8. And there's 7/8. So again, you don't have to do it that way. I know some of you can just look at the number line and recognize where it goes. I find the unit bar kind of helps guide me through the process. Now let's look at the next one. Now we're going not 0 to 1, we're going 0 to 2. Well, we can still do the same process. And just realize when you break it in half, that's your 1, right? We have half of that, half of that. So let's think about this. So we have 1/2. And if this is 1 in the middle, so this would be our 1 and 1/2. Well, then we're having to break it up again, so now we can break it up into fourths, right? So there's our 1 and 3/4. Then it's asking for us to give 1. It's asking us to give 1/8. Well, the nice thing about 1/8, we can come back down here and break it up even again. Break it up into 8 bars. So that would be our 1/8. So again, the unit bar can really be used to help you keep, breaking up into parts, so you can see they're equal parts when you go to place it on the number line. And it's not the only way to do it, but I think that's, when you have pen and paper, that might be the most efficient. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, please ask your teachers or myself, and have a great week. Okay, guys? Thank you.